Hello, fellow enthusiasts, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Selena Srivastav, and in today's video, I'm going to crack the code on how I landed an internship at an MNC during a recession and in just third year of college. So let's begin. To give you a background about my college portfolio, I'm currently doing a BTech degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering with a specialization in AIML from MIT WPU Pune. I'm currently in my third year of degree, and additionally, I'm doing an internship at an MNC as a data analyst. To know more about which MNC I actually got into for my internship, you can take a look at my LinkedIn, the link to which is in the description below. Okay, I'm not gonna brag anymore, so let's get into the details. So the first and foremost step is setting clear goals. You should establish a target for your first internship. And in case you're applying on campus, be aware of when the companies typically visit your college so that you can prepare accordingly. Secondly, it's crucial to note that on-campus opportunities often require the students to maintain a specific CGPA. Usually, colleges mention a threshold of around 8, but in reality, 9 plus is preferred as it shows your commitment towards your work. Lastly, effectively showcasing your skills is essential, and engaging in impactful projects is the best way to do so. With these three key points in mind, let's explore how this journey unfolds in real time. So, the step 1 emphasizes the importance of setting clear goals. But how do you do that? The most effective way to do that is to divide the time from present day until the day of your internship into manageable chunks. Firstly, focus on gaining an in-depth understanding of the subject relevant to your role. For instance, if you're aiming to become a data science intern, start learning subjects like linear algebra, probability, statistics, machine learning, and most importantly, programming skills. Utilize books and online material to deepen your knowledge. This initial chunk is extremely important and it lays the foundation on which you build your expertise. Next, prioritize the development of your programming skills. Regardless of the specific role you choose to pursue, it is paramount to learn how to write clean and efficient code. And to do this, you can visit different websites like Geeks for Geeks, HackerRank, or LeetCode. This transforms your thinking from that of an ordinary human being to that of a proficient programmer. Another essential chunk is projects. Recruiters place significant emphasis on the projects that you've undertaken because they display your skills and your expertise. So tailor your projects according to the role that you want to fit into. For example, if you want to become a data science intern, then do more projects in the fields of data analysis, data science, and machine learning. Avoid diversifying your portfolio into unrelated domains. This dilutes your relevance to potential employers. Instead, stick to one single domain and showcase your expertise in that domain, and align your portfolio to do the same. Additionally, try to make more projects that solve real-life problems. This demonstrates your genuine interest in making an impact beyond just mere accolades and materialistic pursuits. Finally, from interview perspective, make sure you're working on your soft skills continuously and make them a part of your daily life so that when you sit for the interview, it becomes almost natural for you. Be confident about who you are and why you want that role, and show them that you are the best person they can hire. I want to emphasize on a crucial point here. If you are from a well-regarded college where top companies often come to recruit interns and hires, then don't underestimate the importance of maintaining a solid CGPA. Neglecting your grades could come back to haunt you later on when you possess the necessary skills but not the right CGPA. Picture yourself in that perfect role, only to realize that a lack of attention to your grades has cost you that opportunity. Now you find yourself in a much bigger and tougher off-campus job market where the competition is fierce. Remember, while companies may set a minimum CGPA requirement of 8 plus, they often prioritize candidates with higher scores. So it's important to stay ahead of the curve and avoid falling into that predicament. So make the smart choice. Focus on excelling amongst your peers within your college's ecosystem rather than competing against the entire world. Now I'll take a moment to review my own resume and give you a clearer picture. So here is my resume. First and foremost is my name, then the degree that I am pursuing, followed by where I live. Some important links I've mentioned over here are of my email and my LinkedIn. As you can see, the first and foremost thing here is the objective. The objective should be crisp and clear. In one glance, the interviewer or the recruiter should see what the person is enthusiastic in and what the role is that they are applying for and what is their skill set. It is followed by a list of skills, courses, academic projects, positions of responsibility, educational details, hobbies, and links. All of these are in priority order. So, first, let's look at the skills. I have mentioned the languages that I am aware of and I'm good at, like C, C, Python, Java. Then the softwares like AutoCAD, Figma, Canva, MATLAB, and MLDSync and RoboAnalyzer. Some of these were used in college. DS and ML, that is data science and machine learning. So in these, the tech stack that I know is Tableau, Power BI, TensorFlow, Matplotlib, etc. Next, we come to the courses. In the courses, you can mention the courses that are relevant to the role, and you can also mention the courses that were important and were done in college. Here, I've mentioned ones like linear algebra, probability and stats, data science, etc. Then there is DSA, object oriented programming, digital electronics, and more. These are some Udemy courses that I did, and I found them relevant for this role, like C, machine learning, and a Python bootcamp. Under academic projects, I have listed my most important projects, and these also go in priority order. The first one is the most important one, that is the research project internship with IITH on GAN modeling. Then there is bone fracture detection using InceptionNet, followed by sales comparison by region analysis on Tableau. Then there is business sales overview on Power BI. These both are for data analysis, specifically catered for that. Then there is a competition which I won, a font food ordering app. Then there is breast cancer detection. It shows that I've also worked on ML models. Churn modeling using artificial neural networks. This shows that I've worked on deep neural networks. Then there is Big Mart sales production and EDA on Netflix and Google Play Store data. This shows my work in data science. That is followed by positions of responsibility. So, first and foremost, I've mentioned how I was the vice president of Google Developer Student Club in my college and all the activities and everything that I undertook. Then, I was the placement coordinator in third year, TEDx design team member, and the prime minister. Next are the educational details. So, this should also go in order. First and the most recent one is my BTech, then followed by 12th grade, 10th grade, and the scores from competitive exams. I've not listed them here, but you can see that by going to my LinkedIn profile, the link to which I've shown in the description below. Then again, you can mention things like hobbies and interests, which show that you're an all round person. Here I've mentioned painting, reading novels, and watching movies. And some more important links to websites like HackerRank and LeetCode to show my programming skills. At the end, it all boils down to setting clear goals, keeping that CGPA in check, and impressing your recruiters with standout projects. Your decisions today shape your tomorrow. So take charge, stay sharp, and pave your way to success. You've got the tools, now go out there and own it. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.